Okay, let's go ahead and get rid of this Powered by Shopify link that shows up on the bottom of your website by default on every single page. It does link to Shopify, so most people want to get rid of it. I'll show you how to do that really quickly. Go over to your online store, into your themes, click over here into Edit Code. And when everything loads up here, we're going to search for the footer.liquid. Footer. And here it is, footer.liquid. And you don't have to go searching through here. Just do a Command F or a Control F to search all and search for powered. And we're looking for the powered by link. And we don't want to just take out this one link. We want to take out that whole line of code that's wrapping it and everything. Just go ahead and select all of that and hit delete. In whatever theme you're looking for, that line should show up like that. They should be in all of them. We'll go ahead and click save and pop back over to our website and hit refresh. And you should notice down here at the bottom that now that Powered by Shopify button is gone. And let's say you wanted to add some sort of text right here afterwards. You can certainly do that. It's very easy. That line of code is usually right above it, which you'll see right here. Go to the very end and just click outside that last bracket. Make sure you hit space bar so that there is a space in there, and go ahead and type in your text. Click save. Let's pop back over and hit refresh, and you should see that generic text show up here at the bottom. So that's how you get rid of that Powered by Shopify button. Thanks for watching this video.